PVC Pipe Machine. SC 65 130 seconds Conical Twin Screw Extruder. It has high specific output for gentle plastification of PVC material. It achieves high melt homogeneity even with high-filled material formulations. The optimized material feeding system ensures stable production of PVC powder. The bimetallic material screw and barrel ensure long-time working without trouble. It is suitable for 63 to 160 mm PVC pipe production. The output range is from 150 kg per hour to 200 kg per hour. For choice, there is a Siemens touchscreen control panel. The user-friendly software is developed by Dingkun. The AC motor is driven by an AB inverter. It has a vertical integrated structured gearbox, vacuum cooling tank. It is made of 304 stainless steel with painted outer surface. Special water sprays are located in the best position to cool the pipe efficiently. There are special and easily adjusted pipe supports for each pipe diameter. The installed vacuum and water pumps can work without any maintenance for a long time. Special cooling baths can be designed for specific extrusion production.